Somewhere over there is a summit of Mount Storelk. This is its north ridge. Somebody said there is an access following that ridge, but who knows. A little meadow. This is my first clip of the day because I already have from my previous trip enough footage of the start sections. So yeah, the time is 10 to 12 a.m. Pretty good trail so far. Looking towards Highway 40 with from the col with large trees visible in several spots down below, especially. Yeah, I've been here before when I was attempting on that face unsuccessfully, but it was more like a recon trip at the time, simply because it was the conditions were too late in the season, kind of icy. Even though I had crampons, however, I ran out of time. It was windy when I got back to the col. My glove, black glove, just vanished. One of them. I had spare, but one of them was gone. So we're down in a valley. It was very strong wind. I don't know if there is another party. There was one vehicle at the trailhead, but so far no other indication that they are here. I might see them on the way up. I'm again at the very bottom of the ski slope below the face of the mountain Storelk. And someone suggested that they did, especially on the way down, more on left side, kind of. Over there should be some cairns. I'm gonna be looking for them. Then you gotta go right from there. Most people, they attempt directly from this side, but it's very exposed and very stiff. I'm not gonna go that way. No, not a chance. Not solo, and not today when the sun is setting at 7. Many fossils on this ski ascent. Even my previous trip here, I filmed several times, which is kind of a nuisance for me because I don't want to waste time. But you know, at least there are larches as well, and Highway 40 visible. Yeah, I came up a scree directly, because normally the vast majority of scramblers they go up on a grass and then they will start scrambling kind of on the right. Me, I will head for the left looking for cairns. At one party did. I see a party descending. Yes, they went behind the... No, I see them. I see them. But they have, unfortunately, they have just... Their clothes are kind of white. Yeah, I see them. But unfortunately, man, I wish I had like orange or some other colorful jackets, but no, they don't. Yeah, I see at least three. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Up a bit, and because I don't want to miss maybe to not meet them on the way down. I gotta meet them at the base. I'll film again for sure, but it's pretty obvious which way they are going. Yeah, I saw them once more above, but I was too late to film. I will show you where I saw them. They are descending face down, the lower one. Looks steep. Anyway, so where I saw them, there are two horn-like features. Let me see if I can identify them in my small screen, on my small screen or not. That's where I saw them previously. If you see in a video two horn-like features, that's where they were, on the left of the left horn. Just to get some more space. So there is the first cairn I saw today over there. No, I mean over there. Hang on. And there is a gully on the left from it, this way. And I gotta go down that gully and then some more scrambling. Yeah, it's very committing scramble, and I had plenty for the day. It's already 5 o'clock, dark at 7. So as you can see, very loose rock. There are holes, but it's exposure like crazy. Yeah.
a bit of like loose stuff in between, but it's nothing bad. You've got a lot of like steps. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just don't go right.
But how many cairns are there all along?
So you've seen about 5, I think. Like around
5?
5 cairns, yeah.
Up to which elevation?
To the
Like
to
they
the
are
ridge,
close by the 5?
to the ridge, like basically they're scattered across. Yeah, because you can see they are. People were going different directions. We were just trying to follow our GPS. So wherever we came up, we wanted to come down because it was okay what we went on. But yeah, so basically go across this part there, and then definitely don't go right because you would cliff out.
Don't go right.
Don't go too much right because you might
Just stay left.
stay.
So is there like a gully or something, or
No, there's not a gully. It's more like an open thing, like
do you see clearly? Record because I ran out of completely battery on my handy cam video camera Canon. I should have charged it yesterday, but I forgot. It never occurred to me it's gonna be such a long video. I was filming those two scramblers ladies, Izzy and Marion. Yeah, it continues like this, very committing, a loose rock scramble, and I totally don't have